Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Al Lucchino. I'm the owner of Harley-Davidson of Danbury. Thanks for joining me in our virtual showroom here. Harley-Davidson of Danbury is a 31-year family-owned business, and today the latest iteration that I'm going to go through for you is to do a walk around and review on this 2026 Road Glide Limited in Dark Billiard Grey. Now, the Road Glide Limited is the ultimate touring motorcycle. It's got a third generation shark type fairing, which really minimizes wind and turbulence and rain. It's a frame mounted fairing, so much lighter on the steering and controls for that reason. We've got the awesome basic features include the one-touch saddlebags here with bag liners included. You've got the tour pack. We've got Rockford Fosgate rear speakers. But what I want to touch on is the heart and soul of this motorcycle, which is a 45-degree V-twin engine. We've liquid cooled the heads. It's called a center cooled Milwaukee 8 valves. So we've got 2 intake valves and 2 exhaust valves per cylinder with 2 spark plugs on every cylinder. But it's got the thump, the sound, the feel, the beat of the big V-twin that we want to ride. That's the Milwaukee 8. Now this one has variable valve timing, lots of performance. It's got about 106 horsepower and 131 foot-pounds of torque in a standard factory stock configuration. Passenger floorboards, black trim, all great stuff. 6-speed transmission belt drive. It's quiet, clean, and virtually maintenance-free. Now, I want to talk about some of the really state-of-the-art features, safety features, electronic features of this motorcycle. We've got a 58 amp charging system, so plenty of power for your heated seat, your heated gear, and the 200-watt Rockford Fosgate audio system that you have. You're not going to run out of electrical power. That's important to note. Now, in addition to that, this bike has a 6-axis inertial, it's called an inertial measuring unit. The ECM of the bike can measure 6 different functions to give you enhanced safety features. Now, what safety features are going to kick in with that IMU, the inertial measuring unit? ABS brakes, lean sensitive ABS, traction control, lean sensitive traction control, all measured by the 6-axis IMU. In addition to that, we've got a drag torque slip control clutch, which is otherwise known as a Sprag clutch. So if you miss a downshift and you don't blip the throttle and you don't bring the RPM up to match the rear wheel speed, you're not going to chirp the tire. So you're going to get smooth braking, smooth downshift, smooth stopping all the time. Seamless, easy, and it makes the ride more comfortable and safer. Now, in addition to that, you've got hill assist. So one quick stab when you're at a stoplight or a traffic sign, the computer will lock the front brake on. You don't have to hold the front or rear brake on. Lock the front brake, and then when you release the clutch and roll the throttle on, the bike's just going to release the computer's going to release the front brake, and the bike's going to ride away. Easy, and you can use it whether you're pointed upwards or downhill. It works. It makes it easy to keep the motorcycle balanced, especially when you have a passenger on the back. Now, so we've got the hill assist, we've got the Gen 3 fairing, but this bike has something else that I really like. It's what we call Gen 2 cylinder heads. We've got an updated valve spring package. We can put a cam with up to 528 thousandths of an inch lift in it. Redshift cams from Zippers Performance, for which we are a factory authorized dealer. Makes a great combination. High performance exhaust like Jekyll and Hyde multi-mode, made in the Netherlands. Nickel plated internals, resists exhaust gas corrosion. 3 functions. All looks like OEM, controlled from the handlebar electronically. Quiet, medium, and loud. Awesome exhaust system. We do all that for you at Harley-Davidson Danbury. Now, this bike sells for $34,399, not including the factory freight and setup costs. This bike is available now for a test ride. You can ride and you can enjoy the rest of the summer. Give us a call at 203-730-2453. We're open Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 6. Saturdays, we're open 10 to 4. Right behind me is our DynoJet 250i dynamometer. It says Screaming Eagle Performance Center, but I like to call our dyno room the Danbury Muscle Factory. When you want to talk about extra power, extra performance, and we can easily push this motorcycle into the 120, 130 horsepower range, come see me at the dealership and I'll help you and explain to you how we can do that reliably. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you at Harley-Davidson of Danbury.